Alright, so here's all the window air conditioners up in the attic in storage right now. I'm going to start these things up just to do a first startup of the season video. This is a higher 5000 BTU. This will be its third year, I believe. And so far it's holding up pretty good. It's an R130 or R410A unit, sorry. Right there is a 1997 Sharp Comfort Touch 8500 BTU window air conditioner. It's an R22 unit and has a Matsushita compressor and a Samsung fan motor. This one has one of those Qing An, or however you pronounce that, rotary compressors, and I forget who makes the fan motor. I don't know if you can really see in there or not. Yeah, you can sort of see it. It's made by Haier. So yeah, there's that one. These are all going to need to be cleaned this year because they're all pretty dirty. So I'll take them outside eventually when we get closer to summer and do that. That one on the bottom right there is a Samsung 10,200 BTU window air conditioner. It is from 2007, has a Samsung rotary compressor, and the fan motor is made by some Chinese company that I don't know how to pronounce, and I don't remember what it is even. And then there's the second Sharp Comfort Touch air conditioner, which is also from 97. It's exactly the same as that one. Alright, this Sharp air conditioner is plugged in. I'm going to start it up in just a second here. I just wanted to show the model number on this one because I got to before. There you can see it right there. And I don't know where it says it, but this thing only draws right there. It only draws 4.1 amps. Very low power unit. Okay, there's our compressor in the Sharp unit. Like I said, it is a Matsushita rotary compressor, and let me pull this piece of foam out of here so it doesn't get caught in the fan. There's the fan. The Samsung fan motor, which is quite long. It goes all the way to right inside there where you see it. It's quite a big motor. This is the unit that goes in my room. Medium, low, fan only. Alright, let's turn the temperature down and start the compressor. It's always a little bit loud when it first starts for the year, but that'll quiet it down. These are very good compressors. Already starting to get a little cool. You can see we got some ice forming on that tube right there, which is normal. This always ices up a little bit when you first start it. That goes away eventually. We got some junk blowing around inside of it. Okay, the compressor just cut off because the air is kind of recirculating right into the evaporator coil. But as you can see, all the ice melted off of that tube. It's totally normal for that to get a little iced up at first. It's always done that. So yeah, I guess that's it for this one. And that bearing noise, it's probably done that for the past 18 years. I did put some oil in the fan motor last year, but Like, yeah, it's just not gonna quiet that down. I don't think it's ever gonna quiet that down. Still spins freely. It doesn't have any play in it. It's just noisy, and it's been like that for the past probably 18 years at least. But yeah, these are great air conditioners. I'm definitely not in any hurry to get rid of these. I have fallen asleep to the sound of these air conditioners for 23 summers, and yeah, I'm not too keen on getting rid of them, so these are going to be sticking around. Here is the plug. Does not have a GFCI on it. You can tell it's older. And the capacitor is inside of this box. Alright, so on to the higher. We'll do that one next. Alright, the higher is plugged in. As you can see, this one has a GFCI on it. And we're going to start it up in just a second here. Make sure it's on max cool. Put the fan speed on low. Oh, that sounds great. I don't know what in the world that's rubbing on. That could just be the motor bearings. I mean, it didn't sound like that when I took it out of the window last year, so I have no idea what that is. I'm gonna have to take this thing apart and figure that out. But yeah, aside from that, it's been a decent air conditioner. Alright, let's move on to the second Sharp air conditioner. Again, there's the fan motor, compressor's over there. Alright, now we're plugged in. So it should start up. And the fan is hitting something, I don't know what. Alright, let's start the compressor up. Of course, this frickin' thing is vibrating on top of it. Alright, got it to stop vibrating so you can actually hear this thing. Those bottom loops get a little bit frosty when these are first started up as well. They are certainly not low on refrigerant because they still blow nice and cold. Alright, that's enough for that one, and we'll do the Samsung. Okay, Samsung is plugged in. It's got a big GFCI plug on it as well. There is a piece of foam that goes over this. It's not usually open like this. As you can see, it's kind of dusty in there. There's the fan motor for this one. It's upside down, but maybe you can still read it. Samsung rotary compressor. And this thing has a pretty long compressor delay on it when you first plug it in, so I'm definitely going to have to edit this. It's got a blue evaporator coil. Again, this is an R22 unit. The condenser coil is curved on one side. It's flat on that side, curved on this side, and it is just a normal gray coil. So let's go ahead and start this thing up. That's high fan, low, medium, high. Compressor just started up. This is a nice quiet air conditioner. I'm sure it sounds a little bit louder than normal, obviously because it's not in the window, but it's a very quiet air conditioner. It's already starting to get cool. This air conditioner blows very cold air. As you could probably tell from this hose, we do have a portable air conditioner as well. It's a 12,000 BTU Danby air conditioner. I'm not going to start that one up today because it's kind of covered in a bunch of junk, so I'll get a video of that one later.